Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're editing videos for YouTube, Reels, TikTok, or even presentations, you need to know how powerful Canva has become in 2025. In today's video, I will share my top Canvas tips and tricks for video editing. This will help you create professional, eye-catching videos without needing complicated software. By the end, you will be ready to make stunning videos right inside Canva. So grab your laptop, open up Canvas, and let's get started. So first of all, we are going to talk about number one tip, that is use Canvas timeline editing tool. So make the most of Canvas timeline editor. I will go over here to the video, and from that place I will select the video ratio, that will be the landscape. Once I click over here, then I will get the editing panel. In 2025, Canvas video timeline is way more advanced. When you add video clips or animations to your design, you just need to click edit timing below the canvas. So here we are going to add an video in here, and then we are eventually see our timeline in that place. So if I select this one, in here you can see this is the timeline we have. So if you zoom this one, just select this one from that place, like I'll click over here, this one. Okay, here actually we just need to click over here and our timeline will be the visible. So from that place I will select that one and I will increase the timeline, and here actually you can see, so you will see a full timeline with all your layers, videos, text, stickers, audio, all stick and easy to manage. You can trim clips, split them, adjust when text appears, and line up everything perfectly. This gives you much more control than the basic slide editor Canva used to have. So don't skip it. Now let's talk about the audio sync, like add and sync music easily. This is the tip number 2. Always add background music, but make sure it is sync nicely. Canva has a massive built-in audio library. If you go over here to the elements, just click over here and search for the audio. Here audio, actually you will get to see a couple of audio library from that place. So go to this one and see all audio, just click over here and you will get to see audio for your users. So you just need to find out the free audio. Here you can see all are the premium, that is the problem. This one is only free, so I'm going to add this audio, and the main thing is I will sync it perfectly. So now you just need to be drag the audio onto your timeline, what I already saw you. You just need to use the waveform to line it up with your cuts and animation. If you need to trim it, just drag the ends of the track. And here's a bonus, lower the volume or background music if you have a voiceover. Just click the audio layer, adjust volume, keep it around 10 to 20% under your voice. Like you just need to select this one and click over here. Once you click over here, from that place you just need to be balanced all, just click over here and it will be balanced automatically. Then if you want to beat the sync, you just need to click this one, and if you have the premium one, it will automatically sync your audio with your voiceover. It is really amazing to have this kind of a feature in Canva. As a beginner, it will help you so much. Now let's talk about use animated text and sticker. This is tip number 3. So you can add movement with animated text and sticker. Static slides can feel boring, so use Canva's built-in animation to grab attention. Click on any text or graphics, then click animate, like this one. Let's come over that place, and once I click over here, I will place this one in here, and now I will select this one, and also I will select this animation. From that animation sections, we can add any animation in our text. You will see plenty of entrance, exit, and loop animation. You can try subtle fades in for titles, bounce off slide for fun captions, or use checkers like arrows or emojis to highlight points. Animation keep your viewers eye moving, perfect for social media videos. Now let's talk about phone number tip, that is make sure you are using the right video dimension for each platform. Canva makes this super easy. At the top you will get the option for click resize option. You just need to click over here, then pick from preset like YouTube 16 is to 9, Instagram Reel 9 is to 16 ratio, or Facebook post 1 is to 1. Canva will automatically adjust your design. Always double check text and images. Sometimes you will need to move or resize element to fit perfectly. This one trick saves you tons of time repurposing the same video for different platforms. So now let's talk about number 5 tip. Here's a powerful one for 2025. It's called Canvas Video Background Remover. This is a game changer for creators without a green signal. Click on any video clip with a person, then click edit video, and then just click over here background remover. Like here, you just need to select that one, and here you will get this option background remover. In second, Canva will erase the background, leaving just you or your subject, and you can then place yourself over a custom background, add text behind you, and make full overlays. These features alone can make your videos look high-end with zero extra software. Now let's talk about b-roll cut visit. This is the tip number 6. So make your edits more dynamic by adding b-rolls footage. For example, if you're talking about a product, cut away to a clip showing it in actions. In Canva, you can upload your own b-roll or use free stock videos from Canva's library. Like here, if I come over to the elements and here search for b-roll, and if I specifically tell them that I need this kind of a b-roll, they will easily provide us the features and video for us. Just click over here to the video, and here I will search for b-roll, and they will provide us a couple of videos in here as b-rolls. So you just need to understand that I want this kind of a video. So this is really amazing to have this kind of a Canva library. Place them to the timeline. When you find out your b-roll, just place them to the timeline, trim them, and layer them over your main video for a professional touch. This keeps your audience engaged instead of staring at the same talking headshot. Then number 7, number tip, that is use Canva's brand kit to keep your videos on brand every time. You just need to upload your logo, choose your brand fonts and colors once, and save them in your brand kit. When you are editing, just click this file and apply your brand colors and fonts in one click. This makes all your videos look consistent, whether you are making social post, ads, or YouTube intros. Now let's talk about tip number 8. It is an export setting for best quality. So export in best quality possible. When you are ready, you just need to be click to the share. Once you click over here, then you will get the options called download. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then you are allowed to choose the quality. From that place, you can by default select 1080p. It is the HD one, but if you want to choose the 4K, you can also choose it if you are using the premium plan on Canva. If your original footage supports it, then you can download 4K also. High resolution videos look sharper on every platform, which helps you to stand out in busy feeds. And that's it for today. I provide my all knowledge in here and give you the top Canva tips and tricks for video editing in 2025. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe for more easy design and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.